Hi, my name is Marian Hessemeyer from Adent Incorporated, and I am presenting the reasons why the Vac-TaK will aid in the placement of veneers. The Vac-TaK is a veneer placement instrument that makes it easy to handle and cement delicate porcelain or composite veneers. There are two sizes of suction tips, large for maxillary teeth and small for mandibular teeth. There are also tips to fit the 3mm light guide of the Microlux transilluminator. You will be able to place veneers and tack cure with ease. When handling delicate porcelain or composite veneers, there are limited options. You can use sticky applicator sticks, but these do not allow you to use pressure to secure the veneer or tack cure. Or you can use the Vac-TaK with translucent suction tips. With it, you will be able to easily and securely pick up, place, and tack cure the veneer. The Vac-TaK gives you two options for placing veneers. Using the Vac-TaK handle and a suction tip, you can securely pick up the veneer and press it onto the prepared tooth. Tack cure with a curing light and gently remove the Vac-TaK from the veneer. Using the Microlux 2 with 3mm light guide and a suction tip, you can securely pick up the veneer and press it onto the prepared tooth, tack cure with the Microlux 2, and gently remove the Vac-TaK from the veneer. The Vac-TaK Veneer Placement Kit includes one Vac-TaK handle, dropper water bottle, 15 large and 15 small vacuum tips for use with the Vac-TaK handle, and 15 large and 15 small vacuum tips for use with the 3mm Microlux 2 light guide. The handle and the vacuum tips are autoclavable. The features and benefits of the Vac-TaK are autoclavable handle, which has an easy-to-hold ergonomic design. Two sizes of suction tips to firmly hold upper and lower veneers. Autoclavable tips. The silicone tips are reusable. Silicone tips are transparent. You can tack cure through the tips while holding the veneer under pressure. 3mm light guide tips, which allow you to hold and tack cure veneer with one instrument. Thank you for watching our presentation. I invite you to contact us with any questions. Please call or email us for more information. Our goal is to provide you with the best solutions for your veneer challenges. Call us at 203-778-0200 or email us at info@adent.com. We look forward to hearing from you.